everybody, today is April 4th, 2021. It's a Sunday, also Easter. We are at Roosevelt Island. It's a beautiful day and we're going to try to catch the sunset. So let's go. We were on the F train and we got off at the station, Roosevelt Island. It's pretty easy to get to from Manhattan. Fun fact, Roosevelt Island is a separate island between Queens and Manhattan, but it's still considered a part of Manhattan. When was the last time we were at Roosevelt Island? Like 2019, right? Yeah, 2019 was the last time we were here. And Mark and I would go pretty often during the summer, actually. It's just a nice place to relax. At that time, we were riding electric scooters. So this is our first time riding our electric unicycles on Roosevelt Island. Oh my goodness, there is a third escalator, everyone. Okay, so you made it. I don't know if you can see, but in the distance there's the tram. Besides the subway, that's another way you can get to Roosevelt Island or Manhattan, going back and forth between the two. You can use your Metro card for the tram. Look at these scooter kids. Let's go through here. That's where it says do not enter. Okay. I'm not sure about these days, but when Mark and I would come over the summer in 2019, there was a bunch of festivals that would happen all the time. One of them being the Cherry Blossom Festival. There's a lot of cherry blossoms here. I'm not sure if they're in bloom now, but we'll see. Look how beautiful the city is. Okay, we'll pass this family up after this dog. Don't want to scare the dog. The wind speed's not too bad right now. It's only 6 miles an hour. So really, it's just a chill day today. Super chill day. So I don't remember the top of my head, but I believe Roosevelt Island is 1 mile wide. Oh God. Oh gosh. 1 mile wide, and I don't remember how many miles long, but you can get around it fairly quickly. Oh, yes. Okay. Cornell Tech, we're here. I really wanted my little sister to apply here for grad school, but I'm not sure she wants to come all the way to New York City from Texas. Oh. Mm-hmm. Oh, a ping pong table. Cute. Cornell Tech is a big university. So you'll see students, a lot of students. Okay, let's watch out for these guys. Ooh, 2 people on a scooter. A little picnic on my right. They're like, I think 6 people trying to fit on a blanket. Oh my gosh, did you see? I think they fell.
Why did all the real ones go? Why is my night so slow? Ink seeping in my skin, hoping it could heal my soul. No, I gotta get my own. Swear we on different roads. I'm burning a fucking bridge, cause I ain't gon' pay no toll. Money can't kill my pain, but no, it keeps my dream alive. Honey be all I dream these days because my health declines. Running nose doing laps around them cause it's do or die. It's do or die. Now I keep on driving perfect circles, wonder if it's worth it. Always getting hurt and I keep on driving perfect circles, wonder what's the purpose.
We're currently at Roosevelt Island on the Cornell Tech University, scooting around on the Xiaomi scooter and Mark's one wheel. Okay, Mark and I just had a tiny little picnic, eating snacks on the hill up there. Sunset is covered by all of these buildings, Manhattan, so it wasn't that easy to see. So it's okay. And we are going to go. Ooh, it's getting chillier though. Oh yeah, that was an electric scooter. A really small electric scooter. That was cool. We're gonna take the tram to show y'all what it looks like. You can see it in front of me. A little red thing right under the bridge. The interesting thing is you can't, to get to Roosevelt Island by bike or by scooter or by EUC, you have to go to Queens first, cross the Queensboro Bridge, I think, and then there's another bridge that connects. But you can't go from Manhattan to Roosevelt Island by bike. You had to get to Queens. You had to go to Queens first to do that. Okay, I don't like the roads here at all. No. Is this it? Oh.
My regrets are texts I
Here it is.
couldn't send to you. Close my eyes and pretend like
Roosevelt Island Tramway.
been leaning on you, been dreaming on you. I thought I knew you. This tunnel vision is all I witnessed. Know you've been through it. Please come back to earth.
Turn off my lights.
This was just a seed that you planted in dirt for me. It's worth something. I've been trying to show them the worst of me. Name me one person who would steal from a purse from me. It hurts, don't it? We got some demons in common, but not the same lows. 5'9", but you be 6 feet deep and find a halo. I know where the fuck I'm going. These mountains just stepping stones. Pour some whiskey when in Rome. Just sipping Jameson alone. I keep on driving perfect circles. Wonder if it's worth it. Always getting hurt and I keep on driving perfect circles. Wonder what's the purpose. I'm coming back to
Okay, here comes the tram.
And I've been waiting so long, yeah, to have you by my side. That I felt it all, weeping alone. Your words remain carved in my bones. Thought I knew how this shit would go, so I don't know how the fuck I'ma let go. Rain and shine, I'ma get money. If you wake up, that's a good morning, yeah. Faces all around me, they yawning, and I'ma smile back if we honest, but I ain't doing nothing I don't need. Just a G chasing money till he go and rest in peace. Know that it ain't always what it seems. When my brothers blowing trees, they just really blowing steam. I keep on driving perfect circles. Wonder if it's worth it. Always getting hurt and I keep on driving perfect circles. Wonder what's the purpose. I'm coming back to earth.